Hello everyone, we're going to turn 9.5 into two different videos. So this is the first video, and 9.5 factoring trinomials of type x squared plus bx plus c. This is the easiest kind. We're going to, it's not going to take that long to learn, but when you factor trinomials, to start it off with, you need two sets of parentheses. I always start with two sets of parentheses. It's really easy that way. So that would be step one. Step one, two sets of parentheses. Two sets of parentheses. Step two, break up first monomial. So if I look at it, I'm going to break up x squared. Well, I'm unsquaring everything here on the first part. So if I'm going to break up x squared, it's going to be just x and x. So I'm going to put x and x. I'm breaking them up. Step three. I'm going to break up third number. So I'm going to break up the 12. I'm going to come up with all the different possibilities for breaking up 12. I have 1 and 12. I have 2 and 6. And I have 3 and 4. Now, if I have a plus and a plus like this, I'm going to add each one of the broken numbers up, and I'm going to find out what number equals the middle. So I'm going to do 1 plus 12 is 13. Well, no, that won't work. 3 plus 4 is 7. That will work. And 2 plus 6 will equal 8. All right. So I know we're going to use the numbers 3 and 4. Now I have to find out what signs I'm going to put in the middle here. Well, since there's plus and plus, I'm going to keep them plus and plus. And now I'm going to take my 3 and 4, and since they're both pluses, I'm just going to put them. I don't care if you write it this way. You still are getting the same answer. I don't care which order you put it in. So let's try B. I have my two sets of parentheses. Then I'm going to break up G. So that would be G and G. Then I'm going to break up 10. I have 1 and 10. Alright, I also broke it up into 2 and 5. And when I added them together, I got 1 plus 10 is 11 and 2 plus 5 is 7. And so now I'm going to put my addition signs because they're both plus. And then my middle number is 7, so I'm going to use 2 and 5. And you put 2 and 5. Remember, again, I don't care if it's G plus 5 and G plus 2. I do not care what order you put it in.
Hello, class.
Why don't you try C all by yourself, and I'll get right back to you. Pause this. Here's the answer to C. So look and see if you did anything wrong. All right, bye-bye.
What?
Try D through I by yourself, and we'll get the answers going. And put it on pause, and we'll put the answers out. Here's the answers to D through I.
D through I, guys. Don't forget.
That's Eric. Forgive him. Example 2 is just like the first one, except when you break it up, you have your D and D. But this time you have a minus and a plus, so you're going to have two negatives on this one. And then you're going to break up your 42. Okay, I broke up 42. I have 1 and 42, 2 and 21, and 3 and 14. There could be more, but those are the 3 I'm going to do. And I added them together, and still you're adding. We're not subtracting yet. And so we have 3 and 14, which is 17. So we'll just put 3 and 14. It does not matter, again, which order you put it in, because they're both negatives. Let's try one more with B. So I'm going to break up K's. And then I'm going to break up 25, so I have 5 and 5.
Dude, supposedly my mom was there 30 minutes ago.
And 1 and 25. And I'm going to add them. And I have 5 plus 5 is 10. And 1 plus 25 is 26.
And 36 plus 36 is 12.
Yes, that's how smart this child is. And so the best one is 5 and 5. So I'm going to break up 5 and 5 and put it there. And there's your answer. I would like you to try C through I all by yourself.
Good luck, guys.
Put it on pause and I'll... Alright, so I have the answers for all the others we didn't do together. We have x minus 9 and x minus 2, q minus 3 and q minus 12, and it goes all the way through. Check them out, see if you got the right answers. If not, check and see what you missed on the factorings of the third number. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.